Now you don't wait for a producer to do a meeting with somebody and then they will say wait yeah free. That man is seized now. The time came I'm to bomb. A time came Agya Koo grabbed na me in your nice house. I am being real with you. Not because of some mechanics and I'm a person but I idea I can't be in industry and industry now abandoned because many way kasa me and far when come see home many way baby try me them we was certain so me we can't be and no can't be play major key. Yeah man, it's a new one about Papa Kumasi on LA.
Brand solid.
Yeah man. American dollar.
Only floating stone when you be me the pa
Sister Victoria. She they come from Nigeria, but I met them in Ghana. Oh my Victoria. She the Bcos banana. She the Bcos banana. Nanzu onye mi bibia o feel me personally. Yantambetete aji se wo ya da me physically. Ebi mu dream se bibi wo mu. Hwemani mu na me hwe obi e. Say of me na people no fi venture. Go down low make us see your bumper. PKs me no be do operator. Oh mama, oh I the way she dey do make her cry. You won't cover, she don't play. Muji Babylon me no ba fe. Oh mama, oh mama, oh da, oh da, oh da, oh baba, oh baba. Oh nana, oh na, oh nana. Sister Victoria, Sister Victoria. Yeah man, I don't so float.
Sister Victoria, anya me bibi o feel me personally. What you say? Go for you say bibi o mba.
Oh yeah, that me physically.
Yeah, girls ni bibi o home feel me.
Yeah man. She nim.
Me interview na me de mensa to obi ha na nkwase ba bi na mo dwe say me de mensa ko wo obi ba bi a personally.
Personally feeling keke hwinim. Yeah, mo nya bibia. Yeah man.
Think is that?
Yeah man.
It means no need in come over Brian Kokuma would mukakra.
Okay,
yeah, because honor
strength in the war.
Yeah.
Okay.
Just say then I cause
Kuma would everybody is doing his or her own thing.
Okay.
Because I think say Jumano a kwakakra no. A bend Nyanye street a bend you know. Of course will be at the tip. And I am happy. The make us say now you don't wait for a producer to call you before you go on set. Now you don't wait for a producer to do a meeting with somebody and then they will say wait yeah you free. That man is seized now.
A big deal.
Oh baby.
Sir producer sir call.
Yeah man but could be a shame there I think the last week me can program so crab but me can
okay
because to say Poleeno from say Kumasi you go check series so and you try movie okay Polimate da ben ye ko oh papa you channel series here you try hood
series
near ye bibia wie na afei ade be che na mate say enne ne ye twa no na ade be che me frɛ Poleeno mfa me call me so me say ya customer ama me costume so am de be twa nyina me wanna produce and frɛ me no osu anadwo be 9 something to 10
wow
ada you know say papa series movie e ba be twa yi wona makase wo de mai bibia atade empabo a wona ma de size ya bibia na si dan na am say adan o su gidigidi say o mo say o mo de boy bi na be play role no so on pesa guy acting and I say oh me no person me ye enye so on pega acting kwa like me no person me
oh no who so fit
yeah me fit role no ntino I'm like okay they say dey na so say director no ene nkofo bi say na am say how me no person me ba nti o person me mra that day na adwena am say no enye Kumasi na you try no win ba asante mfantia warrior. It's a long journey. That is the title.
Yeah.
Asante mfantia warrior.
Movie title.
Movie title no.
Producer,
Lisa.
Okay.
Lisa some cute lady be there.
Okay.
Shouts to you Lisa. Nyankopon Shwan say ogina otimi gina na nan so car say no it's him that I want him to come and do the role for me. Pa wujaro ni to ma me free Kumasi ko act and then I to say
director no or director
Frangai. Oh Frangai but director me. But I'm nene adwuma da. Then time I'm nene adwuma da so say maybe a time came I'm to bomb. A time came na Agya Koo grabbed na me nene nice sao. Oh yeah I'm being real with you. Not because of some mechanics and I'm a person maker, but I idea I can't be in industry na gu. And industry na abandoned because many way nkasa me emfa we nka me sin ho many way ba betwa me de me ma we was set no so me ma we kan be me ntwa eno kan be play major key because me Kodi Jones Ajima signed with Kwaku Manu Jones Ajima Louise Din Krani ade ye na ye boy de Gabi ni Agya Koo mo nso so different area. Enti a group by group. Enti wo Gabi wa. Omo expect say ni Agya Koo ni kwa John Sajiman ko for be dey.
E be adwuma.
Mitimi share Agya Koo me chance no wayi nsa. Agya timi we nu sia CEO. CEO ye ni ba bi fa ko.
Ba se wo de nka wo ni Agya road de nka competition
before the nye competition asem e campaign asem. What's in common answer?
Enti aside camp
Agya wo Gabi camp. Misumo Jones Sajiman camp. Which Jones Sajiman camp no ye Kwaku Manu, which Kwaku Manu no Agya wo beef. Beef no Agya movie obetwa Kwaku Manu wo ma wanye dey.
Onye.
Enti misumo sa side don't you expect Agya
movie?
Oh yes.
Oh bra wonye.
Oh yes, but that doesn't really help and boadwuma no in a professional way. Some no individual issues are we put it aside. When we go on set we work. After working we it's like that. But to say Papa Kumasi can when you sue Poleeno, one ever Papa Kumasi, David on the old moody and it doesn't any business. Yet the individual differences issues here we to be quite many. And then the girl stood said there be Papa number to be tra. Until you have to go to Winneba. We could do and they were waiting for me. No almost starting. And do you know what happened?
The producer no any stronger.
Yeah, and coming to me, but no, a friend, I'm a costume and a friend, I'm Pabwa size, I am a tidy enemy wasting. And you can imagine what to turn your when you was a couple of and I want to turn Kumasi with this Titania man, and what can you be? We could do, you know, God being so good, no more hobby and try that very damn could do an enumerate. Men, I'm a trap first scene. Me try many producer and Casasso. What's all about Bayami? Yes, so binya there is such chinchina one of this over bay. Into what bad okay. This is the camera director. Say, Papa, am I ready? Okay, action, let's do it, let's see. And trust me, Aduma Chedi and Yankupon dia chow. Baby, because you go and must say, Hokwana bit oh Charlie, trust me. And then now many Gabi near Juma. My first time. I'm saying this on TV. My first nominee from Gabi near Juma director. Okay. Director baby Obi Amechiao. No, nim say me see perform because me in the camp. Okay. A company only one for. Okay. A sign a bar system. Nim director be a only one for because no so no call Ma Jones ho. Okay. Into a sanity. Director Jones on friend akra me. Okay. A sa camp no but me who say moa. Okay. Enti me call no first scene panyan na night scene. Me twa wi na Gabi na chia me. Osema rene a place in his heart. On your corset, so he's gonna call me. I'm like, okay. And today I'm going to process any see because I don't tell myself fear call winning because quite what. Okay. The quiet Jumano. Am I producing any J? Director no so any J. But before then I'm in Jumano so na sa any man or you move for na e. Na bela samo na ho. Na na me chiao. And o catch him say catch. Wa ba be Jumano. Wa so na be am pass me. He was there. That's why he told me. Yankupon Shan, oh no, tufu bia, o tell you tufu. Intinana na cancer asam chairman then makuma tobi ko me kon ma hiti. But me kon ma hiti o. Yeah, me kon ma hiti because oh yeah, so the obese. Oh yeah, trust me because whoever obegina ka say me nyusu Kumasi nyusu we no. Na say onipa ko open me down for. I'll give it to you, trust me. You show bia adwuma na ya wo match. Enye ne waten komo na say. Yeah, man. Be o cancer na me yi bibia dey efiri mu na me dog obi a one sister ma tajo sata ono Yankupon Shan e na ja me dog bibia na me be kele e papa ye wie na director na kra fili because one me nya adwuma da because of camp enti sane ma no so ha say e de be ye o be ko set so yes we dey also no ntwa wonti di se wujai
because now and go for car omodwen say atesem na say
atesem
ye dey atu obi so
atesem me aminu aba Louise din krase bi to ne wo boase ye adwuma and a producer be friend no and obi kan so ne nya adwuma Agya Koo me de no me de na me kan me mo bi adi me de
Louise ade na Agya Koo because no I think say ba
e be so no me nim say ba e de a and e be so me nim say Agya Koo de aka really tell but say ba e de say dey kala dia ene ba e de ene no no enti esa na te polo mu de bi ye yen and asa ne ma na me mfa bi nya obi okay me ma wo ma you are not part but as to say me cast we na later no mate asem bi nti na me masa asem na be kele adekra obetima ba ba ya ma me be benefit me asa benefit na asem ba ko penti magina so say da bi ko debi enya business ha o to bone na bebrebe ni tu na papa keto bi abenya no afa no nya papa na film and na benya benefit film but who did the way say one say it doesn't really help my brother. Okay. Into Juma way, you know, for it to come back, we are all praying. Some movie besa be journalists whereby we have the theaters to premiere movies when we finish shooting them. Ya boka ni na we ni theater ko premiere. Also about high fe. High Rotary Park, Kumasi Rotary Park. Okay. Bibia bi wa ha. Shout outs to them. Oba benya pool akodem, ubenya ba bia plane kura wa ha ya mu betima ko premiere movie. Plane si ho nti Nyankopon hwa Rotary Park for. So poli enti sanity adwuma ba ko eni fachini pa bebrebe ba nipa mienu miense person mo je kantas. Police now industry nimbi. You've been in the game for a long time. You know whatever is going on. Sani man enjoy mwa. When me camp, when me camp. Now no boys by me shows no the same thing. I saw a set so far they say Director Jackson amanamfa amanen twabi odibe 3 days or set no so. Wa amanen twabi because producer was not afraid no. In terms say I think say individual sani man no wo mu a say enyan na ya man e nen kola na e ba no mani abere so ma adwuma no ya ntosa na mani na nto angu ya ngada wo foforo just to be one people and then move the industry forward. Near say we enemy camp, we camp, we Messi camp, we camp, it's not gonna help my brother.
You go to our Rotary Park, I'm in Papa Kumasi and I train come on I make you say wherever you find yourself biano. So your banners up person where your father reborn as a bra. Normal wake papa and the board that for my shot Charlie. PK's I who overflow. Become sure. Oh yes sir. Who overflow because we're gonna F and it was awful. What I say. Now so all your wedding so now I breach wherever you find yourself biano. It be at the Christian now I wa drain we so we Debbie. Make come for the reborn amount. From no more may amount. So it's all for the reborn that on my number no at the screen or so. I'm on number at the screen is to bet me from 0546 925622 0546 925622. Fred reborn any more and yejuma. Aha papa. Now the be amene why me boy no ye tedin kobo me taka say I heard said omo fix the country now youth na agina a bedroom rebino yen youth no so ye besa aba say fix Kumawood fix the movie industry it's said the teacher could just start to
fix the GS no yeah it's good
because am say enyoma bi ho e koso ntwaye and say youth no so yes you amfa ene den anyeden ama yeguso ye boy ho until say
fix the movie industry yeah man it's good
because said they okay no na who deserve role na castle no be say ono nko selfish interest ntina men castle there na say koya na e buy because ye compete the world ye compete ye ho
yes
Nigeria for they are doing very well I will Netflix
yeah man
why are we not
yeah man Santi twitwanantene ne we koye me ya o ya de kra I quite remember me could troubles I met one is it director or executive producer no sabe director okay I met him and I say Kumasi na akona so me koye adwumabo Germany abab kutwa me series na sinibe no watwa na how kutwa bi atwas na school for there mo Ghana head na mo copy wa abrochi mo de die ni he's the same person I'm a Ghana me be premier osaka him say me nya ni ticket Family on you was me tie nipa no anka in this life
praise no
whatever you doing e mo bi mu abamu da
no pray
me kai me start sini akwa bi share me chief me say yes o say we concert ni bi na me say concert was so gine ho TV na me say
and so ne kasa
na la be na wo kan but the nation kan yankopon so sham baby on the person chama na get hu say woni Kumasi nam yo baby this was yo that's my brother yo and so sham ka chem say me concert party e ma me mani bu ma be man ka bia nke na on shame ntwa picture into life on there sa ni say mo bi bu ya bem na afei poli ye industry na ye kan mpanyimfo ne ntenase no mo fa ye ntu ye because that camp is still there
say ne pija
say am no ka say matna sai won camp me say do on camp me won camp Kwaku Manu won camp Lewin won camp pattern common sister Emilia ne Vivian na me hu so mo bo YouTube ni bi omo de omo yeni dan chen McGrath dan chen Ellen White dan chen but omo makeka ne de yo Lewis in crown the camp onu so twa ne short videos enti
nene mo so omo camp
akosi atwa ne camp you see enti that camp those days they are still e wo ho enye obi aso camp na wo beko
uni who I am from Koko football
enti e beko so akosi da ben na asesa
when enti ugidi say enyoma ben na e fa so ebetimi egu sa camp na na say
company dey intimi ngu no the entire make say no all the actors and the actresses are producers now.
Okay.
I am a producer. Utu a producer. Obi a producer e on ni own way a ono so di kakra enti se me kotwa ana me ko production me frɛ Poleeno na me frɛ Papa J na me frɛ AY a minim se manya me team no mo na kwa koya adwuma enti se Poleeno so ya adwuma obe frɛ AY frɛ Papa Kumasi na da bi ono so be kwa koti ni team because ono se Kumasi de ne ya adwuma just on so team.
Oh, okay.
What's in common as now so build your app because all them crying in our app we are now for move few in chair my hate area no more. Okay. Let's look at somebody like Sako Centufa Chechekuni 39. You see the key. They say omo obi abete no ho ate no ho. Omo free team ni omo free sa like team no no obi ate no no omo gina yie sa na tie. Okay. But janentini enye ewo my brother. Anya wo na oye na me na me ya I read. So na ye na anyam na me ya I read. Polly, how would we go forward, man?
Go me kai say me suggest idea be my producer be. The okache me an say a brilliant idea between the two movies. But all the choir because in free no buy to obogbo. And few on no buy obogbo. That is it. But at the end say be na papa be boa. Who is taking one months on the akọ? So okay, moving the baby di Kumasi back. We all know. Obi antimi challenge. Ebedi Kuma back. Music say yes.
Ebedi Kumasi. And then Kumasi for years so mu say ya manako. Yeah. But the name be a now say ke ye no be 10 years ago no. A failure started by which you lucky behind. Into a problem mine here. Say anya no one after the other fix here one fixing here maybe. It's going to be like this at see nana no beba. That is the reality. But ejuma we so nya ejuma phone ejuma aboa ne a o kwa brochira hey o fa ha hey we bibia hey
am say Ghana for we ase nyina do so pa ne Ghana kra ne do
yes
yem fa ne say obitimi a video to YouTube enya million views
yes
into there papa enya small analysis we my movie maboka ba bia 30,000 ena de atwa we me wie no because nyina ye unite ya ka bom ntini e be one app enye we na akoy na we na akoy
okay near that ton
yin nyina ye ton enti movie no say na first ebeba kantamanto ye ho advert say eba no nipa no say online obetimi hu bloggers me movie ba mande o we ba mande o ko TV stations or ko interviews eba mande o app no so ama update because obi a download bia na obi a ko website na man say a week time no movie say eba ye 5 okay e app no so movie no boy 1 CD obi na ho 1 CD I download it 1 CD na wato nti movie na about movies 5 na every Monday and every week na beba to say 5 CDs 5 when you 5 away why you movies 5
na say the whole Ghana kura na every movies 5 5 onim say akibenya onim say o dey fan say nipa be wiase nyina no nipa be 500,000 pen be to movies ni nyina 500,000 yeah man waka to cost yes Wanya so on san kwaye adwuma be sa kwaye bi incident ni and who is creating who is building that app that is who is doing that na make say e was say is it Akosinya Meche miracle from software na or is it peace and love or is it a karimode and now we guys say me din na so a me yenye the problem here is papa or platform we dey promote say we say we latest movies are app so nice idea. Movies baby and go YouTube after I just say a year. Yes, after a year and sana go YouTube. There's a year on my share. Until ubonya bo promo na you be far. I saw ko app no sokoto. Who post you or followers? Mac Brown posted, Bella Samuel posted. Jackie Appiah posted, Van Veke posted. Until you need a movie back ba nipa be 2 million beto. Oh yes, yeah. 20 billion. As a producer. Simple. Now, one CD no endru $1. Yes, endru kra. Into movies 5 na be ban, or you $1. Obeto ni nyina. It's good. It's a nice idea, Polly. We are industry player. You have this idea. Penny be to on nyas idea into the obe kan obo atwa. Maybe should try some for pen drive biaba. This year decode. Say pen drive no so kra be do. I say you putting measures in place how to sell our movies. And one the solution because say no sky will be the best you know ni sky ko betimi akobo oh yeah akobo but bobo se ni twa wi a oton beton ne say no okoton no ye need the solution and say ye beton your movies ne sen Yes, any theaters. Your theaters, and KB theater Ghana, be 16 regions. Your theaters be 10 and 8. Wouldn't say 8 regions. Night there, Obeto Cast and Yakakras are connect set. But here is the theater too. When you go, it's a 50-50 10. Make us all the 300 million, 400 million, 500 million. What you be take it to the Biaku Chabu Chile, a baby free crab, bomb for flight near the other. Send out Benya. Tiabasa no what you do here. I said, I'm going to some money.
PKs, industry, I think is fix the industry never fix
the industry. You say start fix the industry. Oh yeah, my ambassador medical candidate. Fix the industry. Easy cry. Come there be there.
Yeah, move be why. You go university o. You we ba set no. You we national service. You enter application letter cry that because enye your field no. What you say? You pese ye industry no. Na your talent enya me dey am na execute. Nti se mo hwe na mo fix ya. You dey field be ba.
Yeah, never fix it. Yeah, Kasasi, I am Enja, the Minister of Art and Culture, Creative Art, the Minister of Dondone Trenene, and
I think it's almost a major role to play.
Pushy, but how many of them? Now, Kumasi Kroy, any Actors Guild, any office. We meet a culture center with somebody who says, "Oh, try disgrace." It's not a disgrace. It's about a Jumas and paying for no more so Jessica on Babe. But we don't have an office here. We meet a culture center. Any Actors Guild for Modabre no.
Okay.
Or see any Actors Guild office big time. Paying for mobile phones. Okay, Marco office. This is the office for actors.
Okay.
Renowned and registered people or what acting field in him and paying for mommy for. Bibi na mpese mu share no mu nyina ba ho. First no container. Any na bela someone na na ye office. Yankopon hwa no so my sa akonya. Up to now from when you go culture center when you meet. Eh fa bi. But Accra, Omo bi.
Challenge na Omo yi.
Accra City Theatre or Kumasi ni theatre. But Hassan had the biggest hold of the movie industry.
Even in the
entertainment. What's in Kumasi? Because as I say, we did a system of Ghana. You really money na. I'm from free Empress Sumra.
Yeah.
Oba Dum TV Sister Sandy Show. Ono Patase Kwada State South Interest South. Oko UTV Empress Boho. So Oba TV Abape Kumasi Boho. So Oko Poleeno Media Kumasi ni Zion or Bo Kumasi ni. You see Abeku Akube Tantana Okulu onso yefwa.
Yeah.
Also you do na made.
And the Dusty
what you do. Andy Dusty on the move I don't know I check to smart for it. On the move no almost smart me too. So and the Dusty
teacher Kofi.
Oh, Shaba the teacher or this Shaba why or this Shaba there. Or Chame Kofi or Chame Kwame, you know, they are all they are all from here. And the talent in there and they went crying almost way. Green on the about to easy. And easy.
1 feet down you are.
Tempe, your name may be a and you're born here now.
Born here, die here.
But I 1 year no. You're free. I could run out of some nana. You didn't be a queen and I show one. Then an uncle, I am going.
I mean, I have a wonderful interview with Papa Kumasi or Ratri Park. I mean, the Ratri Park said, as I saw my Akonya interview, no, Papa, you're going to find out.
Oh, yeah, Kodia, the American Ratri Park, oh, baby, Alfie, Abrochebana, Obedu Kumasi, baby, do Manaqua. More pool, how more bouncy cast artificial swimming pool, or more on Colano, Bibia, or bar on Crano Betini, and more many adjacent on Bagana being because pool no so a standard, or more restaurants, cafe near the idea bit made it good. Sounds almost how a dome, Mokanza, is it fantasy dome or more domes of any over 1,000 and event be able to me. I know almost how aeroplane, yes, the office and as a premiere movie. To me, I think 50 at the time. Okay. Aeroplane 2%. Oh, your party be get together, be small, be with your friends near there. With my budget aeroplane, you know what's inside. No, your party and our party. What catch some? What clue? And coupon shower to park for the event be ba. But yeah, be drew her things. Okay. Now, yes, interview can be any idea because or say me Kumasi so Janice because say you know to another flag na drew so. Yeah, they drew her penny. But I must have made Janus why they a pigeon into yen work be na a Janin Kumasa more. Oh, this time around I'll see any my Janus so. We need not to be bringing somebody from somebody from Accra, somebody from Kufodia before I answer any budget. What's in common as because that is what has been going on. sa na ekoso Kumasi for the past years. So obi be ba abaji ani a na obi na free cry Kumasi a ofi takrade ba bi aba Kumasi a ye kobi ne ani na akogye ye ba ne yade na ye nsusu ye ne ntimi organize ye ne ye nigye wa ha ne ye ngi enye se omo ba no nye omo ba ne ye nigye we appreciate them omo ba ma ye bia ye nigye o Kumasi ba de ne Kumasi for na nkasa ya mo nso ani age
yes we ever ko ho mo so ani beje
oh yes nti any road trip for ye di egu nkomo so aye bibia pese Kumasi for nyina higher man bros higher for almost 10,000 cost 12,000 nti be say higher
so abet me ola lie bia
oh yeah say you
ya mo kan say na yo boy bi ene adema bi
that bro big siki na pegu ake ba well fike for uti oni die nti ya kone ya beda obi ase Poly na the tenses they say I am fully into the music my bag gidi say I'm not giving any I mean chance kra me so me de na saka
yeah
Masiku tisui simple bien leche o Masiku tisui simple bien leche o still with padeha ya fano de kwenche ku mapen mo bebba ku mapen mo bebba tipa deha ya fano de kwen ku mapen mo be ku mapen mo be enti mo kane beli fish felega obe mo kane beli fifendelela obe mo kane be
party koso ha de Kumasi brother be chile
yeah man aha Masiku tisui Poly
Masi so de
yeah man yeah ko ma fa Instagram so mo hake me
yeah
new one is I feel Maria we nya 34 yeah Papa Kumasi na Instagram pa followers 34,000 me say mo go there and follow me I'm begging you and then kwa no asa hwehwe ne ma bebrebe YouTube no say Papa Kumasi TV you go there we have series of series we have like mother like daughter we have like mother like son we have chobos to chobos we have kwada so we have keshe we have Ashtown ni nyina bi wo ho
Papa Kumasi TV
yeah ni nyina Papa Kumasi TV
YouTube here
yeah YouTube here hey ya Papa Kumasi TV go watch it subscribe and share because yen sakai we ye de amoka Masiku abe you stay de wefo nyina lele amade go sibili bi
ha so abetimi asua
oh yeah
o he na
say yesua de atonyum tu so betua de abeton yeah wakulu amade go sibili bi o
ya me nhire obi a se de o ka no
why
good boy why na me DOP na me catch you say Mabeshia, my old friend, my old friend, my host, Fresh Boy Papa J is in the building.
Oh, Papa never jam a chica cray. We start up quite oh, me manager, oh, what will be my manager? And now some Moka, if you are singing, I'll be my manager. And then we are all doing music. So if you want me to come and host a program for you, you need us for a program. BBB, just contact this man right here, man. He's been holding us for years back, you know what I mean? Since the first movie you tried 2018, 2008, a lead role.
Wow.
2008,
wow.
Mensa Brampa. Yeah.
Oh,
your producer. Almost I could try, but I could be a chance. Baby, na trust am na bibi. Baby, and na suffer for me no. Na the time, e bi ni mebele.
Ezo.
Na ebura munsuo.
Boy si
match 2008, 2009, 2010 you know producer.
And over pushy Poleeno.
Yeah, over pushy man. Nyankopon share pa. Na man for so number be na beto ya. Na say there.
Say we hear Papa Kumasi 0243.
Yeah man.
87.
Yeah man.
65.
Yeah man.
40. That's all.
That one kiss me, my former you know so kiss me.
For my selling land and one year keton. And so you do what?
Yeah man.
Stefan only.
Yeah man.
Have you moka what me sakasaka you wepe? What's me?
So manager like hello. What I say?
Yeah man.